What's up, guys? Welcome back to another interview at the Sui Basecamp event in Dubai. I'm Adele, the host. Today we have Open Dive with us, Natalie, right?
Natalie, yes.
I hope I said it right.
Yes, you said it right.
Natalie, how are you doing?
I'm good.
I love your display. It caught my eye. Tell us a bit about what you're building in the space.
Yeah, so I'm building Space Paws. So we're actually a gaming project being incubated by Open Dive. So we are a cozy game concept because Web3 needs less shooters and more cute games. So we are one story, two games. We have a mobile game where you can play on the go, and then you earn furniture and items that you can then import into the other game, which is an adventure farming simulator, kind of like Stardew Valley and Animal Crossing.
Oh, interesting. Very cool. So how easy is it to sign up and start playing the game?
Super easy because we are leveraging on Sui. So we're just going to do ZK login with just your Google account, and then like you don't even need anything in your wallet because we are going to cover it for the first few transactions.
That's amazing. And then afterwards, is there a fee?
There's a fee if you buy something in the game, which we hope you do.
Only if you buy something in the game, but it's free to play.
That's the goal.
Oh, okay, awesome. And the idea is that this game, what's the mission behind this game?
So the mission behind this game is that these animals have been stranded in like an alien planet, so they're rebuilding their colony, and your goal is to help them rebuild, explore, and build your little cozy home.
Interesting, really cool. So for those watching, if they're interested to get in touch and maybe sign up, where can they go?
Follow us at Space Paws _ on Twitter, and we will give out for like updates, our playtests, and for our launch.
Thank you so much for the interview, Natalie. I appreciate it.
Thank you so much, Adele.
Thanks so much for watching. Hope you found this insightful. We'll leave all the links in the description so you can check out Natalie's profile as well as Open Dive. Thank you again. I'm Adele, the host, and I will see you next time. Cheers!
Web3 TV